rough and tough out there. It sure is. Don't know if I'm getting through all the hash and trash, but phew, it's tough out there. Everybody wanted a little Mother Nature. Everybody was wishing for a little Mother Nature when they might be wishing they hadn't wished so hard. Sounding good, Pistol Grip. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Sounds like there's some big old radios out there. 2012 in the Keystone. I'm listening.
Hello, 2012 in the Keystone. Hello, 212 in the Keystone. What's going on up there, man? 018 Tennessee Beavis trying to make the trip.
018, I think you said Tennessee there. Sounding good up here in Pennsylvania. Just wanted to wave a hand. 2012 listening.
All right, 2012, I appreciate you coming back to me, man. You sounded real good down here in Tennessee and all this trash. It's rough and tough down here in the 10. 2012, sounding good down here at Donkey Stomper. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
All right, there's 018. You have a good rest of the weekend? 2012 in the Keystone, I'll see it.
227 in Delaware, standing by.
Hello, 227 in Delaware. Hello, 227 in Delaware. You sound real good down here in Tennessee. Mr. 227, 018 Beavis with the wave.
Man, you're a bunch of y'all coming back, but yeah, I need to
Hey, I know Peter. 227 Delaware in the mail. Got that.
Hey, 227 Delaware. Old 227 Delaware. 227 Delaware. Sounded real good down here in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Yeah, I got bits and pieces of it, man.
How about a 018? 018.
Hey, you got no condition in Delaware? 227 Delaware in the mail.
I heard somebody holler 018. I didn't get your numbers, man. I heard you holler, how about a 018? I heard you good, and everybody keyed up with you same time. Whoever that was hollering a 018, you sounding good. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Okay, TC.
Hey, 018, ain't nobody but dirty bitches. Hey, 018, ain't nobody but dirty bitches. 018, dirty bitches. 018, dirty bitches love country, breaker.
Hello, Mr. Dirty Britches. Hello, Mr. Dirty Britches, love country. Dirty Britches and I love country. Hey, man, you sounding good down here in Tennessee. Appreciate you hollering. 018 Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Stomper, hey, Donkey Stomper, 355, show you.
Fire right on, Donkey Stomper. You take care. Ain't nobody but the man with the dirty, nasty bitches on. Donkey Stomper, take care. I'll see you. Bye.
Yogi.
All right, Dirty Britches, sounding real good. Appreciate you hollering. I heard somebody else holler for Donkey Stomper. I didn't catch you 20. Whoever else that was hollering, go ahead and kick it on back. We'll try.
Going to somebody, man. They gonna tell me. But we on a different height, the antenna, so we got different conditions in different places, man. But no condition in some bad folks. Well, it's rough and tough, man. I got a whole lot of Mother Nature coming from everywhere, man. Sure enough, dude. Stations coming in all up in my camera receive. Hey, Mad Dog in the band, good little times here.
What a mess in my receiver down here in Tennessee at Donkey Stomper, 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Dog in the band, good any time once again. Big John store over here on the east side of these Carolinas.
Them guns,
Dog.
kick it.
One of these days when I grow up, I am going to get me a big old radio. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis down here at Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Big John store, he's right back. Oh, yeah, I ain't had this job going in a couple of months, show ain't. Well, you got a grip on the lip, buddy. I follow you, 108, I'm trying to run you. You see who? on black smoke. You right on 128?
I think I heard a 500. I believe you said 500. Not sure. 500 sounded good in Tennessee. 018 boost for the wave.
I'll see ya.
I heard that wipeout in there. I did hear a little pistol grip on the wipeout. Get on down.
Hey, it was Jim. Get up here. Well, I ain't got a whole lot of condition down here. I just all
Worldwide Donkey Stomper. Get on down.
Hey, good evening, Donkey Stomper. 1207 Philadelphia. Hey, what's up? I'm gonna get out in the middle of the road.
I heard somebody say good evening, Donkey Stomper. Man, it's rough and tough out there. It really is. I can't even believe I'm even getting through any of it, but it's rough and tough out there. Good evening time to you too, sir. 018 Tennessee B was down here, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Davis, 1207 Philadelphia with the wave. Damn, it got rough that time.
Hello, 1207. Hey, 1207. Good evening time, Mr. 1207 Philadelphia. Your friend in 10. 018 B was waving a hand.
Always a pleasure, my friend. Always a pleasure. 1207. Got
Alrighty, 1207. Appreciate it, man. It's rough and tough as usual. Sounding good down here in a Big 10. Your friend in 10. 018 Tennessee B was down here. Donkey Stomper reading the mail.
How about BBS? How about BBS? You can be Pennsylvania. Hey, Max, low 220.
I think he said 627 Pennsylvania. I'm not real sure. I think he said 627 Pennsylvania. Not 100% sure. A good evening time. Appreciate you hollering. Sounding real good down here in Tennessee, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis was away.
Roger. I copy that, Beavis. I copy that, Beavis.
No, buddy. Have a good one up there in the big state of PA. Appreciate you hollering. All sounding good. It's rough and tough down here in Tennessee, and I'm rolling a video gate. 018 Tennessee Beavis down here. Donkey Stomper rolling this video gate. We're listening.
Hello, 018. Mad dog, check. 018, I'm not gonna make it, but I'm gonna try it. Good evening, I'll be back in a couple minutes. Hello, 018. How about a 018, Mr. 45? 01. Hey, Max, low 227 Delaware, in the mail. Number 4.
How about Mr. 35? I think he said Mr. 35. I think that's what you said is Mr. 35. Hey, man, you sounding real good down here in Tennessee. Appreciate you hollering. Your friend in 10, 018 Beavis with the wave.
018 Beavis. 018 Beavis. My Donkey Stomper, hello.
Hey, man, that Donkey Stomper's working. I still didn't catch your numbers, but I heard you say my Donkey Stomper, hello. Who is that? Did you say 35? Is your number 35?
We're 27 out of band. Heard you in there, man. We seen the car picking the video game earlier. Snowman, 018 Beavis, working man, Northern Virginia. Hello, 018 Beavis, working man, Northern Virginia with the wave bringer.
Hello, working man, Virginia. Hello, working man in Virginia. Sounding good, man. Appreciate you hollering. 018 Tennessee Boost is the wave down here. Donkey Stomper.
8018. 8018. Get that one right there, 018. Just want to know when the wood's going on.
Hello, 189. Hey, 189. 189, man. Sounding good in Tennessee, and you got in my video gate again. 018 Babies of the wave.
Click. That thing sounding click. 018, 189, go.
Roger, 189. Appreciate you hollering at me, man. Sounding real good down here in Tennessee. 018 Beavis down here, Donkey Stomper with the evening time wave.
Right down back to Florida, come on. Okay, up to Florida, where the world is out of out of Maryland, Baker. Hey, 2 Bill, I did hear you, man. Hey, 2 Bill, I got you up here in Northern Virginia, no doubt about it. Hey, 2 Bill, 73s, man, appreciate that holler. Hey, 2 Bill, working man, Northern Virginia, clear and gone. Not on your ear. Number 5, they working, they Hey, 5, take care, man. Certified waiting.
Jump up in there.
Hey, I copied that, 2 Bill. Yeah, man, this is a 20-pound train wreck. Hey, 2 Bill, you same thing up here, man. I got a 10-pound train wreck. Hey, 2 Bill, 73's, working man, and I'm listening to the train wreck.
Sounds like Mother Nature flip-flopping around, so I'm going to end this gate. We might get back on here and do another one in a little bit. Working man sounded real good. Everybody out there sounded real good. I appreciate everybody hollered. Hope you all have a good one. Hope you all keep them hands clean, stay COVID-free. Hope everybody out there in DX land has a good evening. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis at Donkey Stomper saying bye-bye-bye.
So you keep doing what you're doing. Hey, Beavis, don't stop the video game. Hey, Beavis, don't stop the video game to start another one. Hey, Beavis, Donkey Stomper, rep it. Hey, Beavis, your pistol went bang. Hey.
Pistol said don't stop the video gate. Pistol said don't stop the video gate. Sounded good, Pistol Group.
Feel right back.
And I mean Donkey Rappin', the flagship station for the number 5 nation. That's what that'll make her feel real good. It ought to put a smile. Hey, 601, say you're the flagship station for the number 5 nation. Well, let you get back to...
Hey, 64, the mojo rolling. I'm knocking on heaven's door. Hey, 64, the mojo is rolling. That's right. And I'm knocking on heaven's door. Man, back, funky ground playing. Hey, funky ground playing. You got this thing all in my radio in Florida. Funky ground playing. 2 Phil waving and gone.
About DX Clan. About DX Clan. You copy 667. 667 round Pennsylvania.
Funky ground playing at Keystone. Got on down. Nah, funky, I know you're a true junkie. You don't pay attention to the video games for the people out there.